Hello friends, my name is John Mark Shaw. Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a beautiful summer day today. I'm walking with my beautiful baby girl Paloma. You can see her right here. She is sleeping and she's a sweetheart girl. I love her so much. And I'm here to talk to you about what would you love? Emerson and Thoreau, famous transcendentalists, told us that the quality of our lives are created by the quality of the questions that we're willing to ask. Are you willing to ask yourself what you would love? For most of my life, I didn't think that what would I love was even a reasonable question. I thought, what is practical? What is reasonable? What can I reasonably expect to have and do and be in my life? But the idea that I could even ask the question, what would I love? What would I love in the area of my career and my creative expression? What would I love? How would I love to serve in this world? Where would I love to live? What would I love to do today? Who would I love to spend my time with? What kind of a relationship would I love? How can I infuse my life with the feeling tone of joy? The feeling tone of, I would absolutely love this. The more we ask the question, what would I love? And then commit to taking the steps to actually live that life, the more we set our intentions to the feeling of joy, the more that our life becomes a joyful journey, a joyous adventure. And isn't that what we all would love, to live lives we love living? Years ago, I thought that I had to only do what people thought I should do. I should get a certain kind of a career, make a certain amount of money, behave a certain way, get a certain amount of degrees. And only later in life did I discover that the more we forge our own unique path, the more we tune within to our inner guidance system and ask ourselves the question, what would I really love? What is my unique soul's journey? What would bring me the most joy? And the more we're willing to listen to the call of our inner guidance, to the call of our soul, to the call of our heart's longing, the more we're willing to take the steps to set an intention. I really do want to live a life that I absolutely love living. I really do want to spend time on a Sunday walking in this beautiful park near my house, looking at the Freedom Tower, which you can see here in the distance, thinking about the freedom that we have to create lives that we absolutely love living, praying and meditating in the sunshine, in the trees, spending time with my family, eating beautiful food, living beautiful lives, spending time in a worship service, filling my soul with inspiration and love. So every day, how can we lean into the practice of asking ourselves at least once a day, what would I love to do today? What would I love to eat? Where would I love to go? What would I love to do for a living? What kind of adventure would I absolutely love to have today? What would I love to create in my relationship with my wife, with my husband, with my boyfriend and girlfriend, with my child, with my grandchild, with my grandparents? What kind of an adventurous life would I absolutely love to live? You can ask yourself that question. We are children of the Most High God. We are born. We have inherited the kingdom of heaven, and that kingdom exists here with us on earth. And it's ours for the taking if we're willing to ask the question, what would I love? Thank you, friends, and happy Sunday. With much love, John.